Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Laura Yamada.
And I'm Paula Akana. The American Civil Liberties Union is asking 5 law enforcement agencies in Hawaii what procedures they use to track citizens using cell phone location data. KITV4's Keoki Kerr reports it's part of a nationwide campaign where the ACLU is asking similar questions of nearly 400 police and sheriff's departments across the country.
Law enforcement agencies can use information from cell phone companies to track citizens' whereabouts. Since every minute our cell phones are on, the phones leave electronic breadcrumbs behind that can pinpoint our location.
We want to make sure that the public understands how the government is collecting and using their private information. And we want to develop policies, procedures, and better legislation that will protect our privacy rights in the future.
ACLU of Hawaii staff attorney Lori Temple says her office has filed requests with the 4 county police departments as well as the State Department of Land and Natural Resources and Department of Public Safety to find out when, why, and how they're using cell phone location data here. A spokeswoman for the Honolulu Police Department says Hawaii's privacy laws are some of the strictest in the country, requiring law enforcement agencies to show a judge probable cause before getting a court order or a warrant that would allow them to obtain cell phone location information.
We'll be thrilled to find out that Hawaii's law enforcement agencies respect our privacy rights and the Fourth Amendment, and we'll be extra happy to send that information to our national organization.
We spoke to several people using their smartphones tonight in Manoa about Hawaii law enforcement agencies' use of personal cell phone information.
It's just great that our state is having like a judicial process, kind of just making sure that they're doing the right thing.
I think, personally, it's a breach of privacy. However, for the community, it would benefit tracking down criminals.
Now, an HPD spokeswoman likens the procedure in Hawaii to getting a search warrant for your house. Just as police can't just walk into your home and look for something, they cannot access your cell phone data without a warrant as well. And HPD says the department employs this technique to solve crimes infrequently. Keoki Kerr, KITV4 News. Back to you.
All right, thanks, Keoki.